On Wednesday, the U.S. government released footage of two separate incidents where drug boats were destroyed in the Pacific. Two narco terrorists killed in one boat and three in the other. Most previous activity has taken place in the Caribbean, off the coasts of Venezuela and Colombia. Why are these strikes important? Because the DEA estimates that the majority of illegal drugs headed for U.S. cities are passing through the Pacific. Do you support President Trump's increasing war on the drug cartels?